Have you been doing everything you can do to grow your hair longer and thicker, but you still feel like your hair is growing so slow? What if the problem is not your hair is not growing? What if you are not simply doing enough to support your scalp and protect the length you have already grown? Today, I am combining 3 simple ingredients that have been used in traditional hair care routine for years: onion, black tea, and cloves. And I'm going to show you exactly how I prepare this powerful DIY scalp treatment, how I apply it, how often to use it, and the mistake you absolutely need to avoid. Because there is one thing about this recipe that many people completely get wrong. And if you made this mistake, you could end up irritating your scalp instead of helping your hair care routine. So watch to the end, because I am going to show you how I use this treatment without making my hair feel dry or uncomfortable. So let's get started. Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Glory Kelechi. On this channel we talk about natural hair cares, healthy hair routines, DIY treatment, and simple way to take better care of your natural hair. So if you are on a journey to grow your hair longer, thicker, and healthier, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because you do not want to miss the next video. Okay, so now let's talk about today's recipe. We are making a simple onion, black tea, and clove scalp treatment. But before we prepare it, let's quickly talk about why those 3 ingredients are so popular in natural hair care routines. So let's start with onion. Onion is one of those ingredients that have been used in traditional scalp and hair care routine for a very long time. The reason it's attracting so much attention is because onions contain sulfur, containing compound, and antioxidants. Sulfur is naturally present in keratin, which is one of the main structural proteins that make up our hair. Onion also contain compound that may help support a healthy scalp environment. Now, I want to make something very clear. Onion is not a magic ingredient that can focus your hair to grow 20 times faster overnight. The 20 times faster in today's title is meant to capture the idea of dramatically improve your hair care routine, not a guaranteed medical result. Hair growth is affected by many things, include genetics, nutrients, hormones, scalp health, stress, and how well you protect your hair from breakage. But if you try to create a consistent natural hair care routine, onion can be an interesting ingredient to experiment with. Now we are going to combine it with our next ingredient. Our second ingredient is black tea. Black tea contains caffeine and plant compound called polyphenols. Many people use black tea rinse as part of their hair care routine, especially when you are trying to create a routine focused on reducing the appearance of shedding and supporting the scalp. But here is something important. Black tea can be a little dry for some people's hair, especially when using too frequent. That is why I do not recommend pouring strong black tea over your hair every single day. We are going to use it strategically as part of the treatment. So I make use of 1 bag of my black tea. Please, there are different types of black tea out there. Any type of black tea you have available, please feel free to use it, okay? It must not be the same black tea I use. Use any brand of black tea you have available, whether black tea leaf or black tea bag, anyone you have. Please and please use it, okay? They are the same. So I just pour in water inside my clean pot. Now transfer my 1 bag of my black tea. So I'm trying to release the nutrients of the black tea first before bringing it to a boil. So while boiling yours, please make sure you do not boil it in a high heat to avoid killing the nutrients of this black tea, because if the nutrient of the black tea is not there, you are using nothing. It can make you using this recipe without getting any results. So make sure you use it in a very low heat. or you can do infused method. Please prepare it the correct way so that you can see how effective this recipe can be. Okay, so once I have boiled mine for some minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, then I bring our third ingredient. Our third ingredient is cloves. Cloves are packed with plant compounds and antioxidants, and they have been used traditional in beauty and personal care preparation. For this recipe, cloves are many here to complete our onion and black tea texture and create a powerful herbal scalp treatment. But here is very important warning. Cloves can be irritating for some people, especially when used in a very concentrated formula. So much is not always better. We want a balanced preparation, not an extremely strong mixture that can irritate your scalp. So I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my cloves powder, pour it inside the black tea water, cover it up, allow it to boil only about 3 minutes. So the reason of boiling it first, so that it can release the nutrients before transferring the onion. Remember, the onion I use is 1 medium size of my purple onion. So I transfer it inside the other 2 ingredients. Okay, so once I pour in the onion, I like the onion to also boil only 1 minute to 2 minutes. Once it's 2 minutes mark, I off the heat immediately, then allow it to cool down for some hours. This is the perfect way you can prepare this recipe to get better results. Please make sure you replay it if you do not understand, or save this video. Okay, whenever I want to use it, watch the video so that it can follow up the preparation method, because the method of preparing this recipe is the best way to get that better result. Okay, but if you are doing infused method, you just need to add all the ingredients inside your clean jar, then pour in water, then allow it to infuse for 8 to 12 hours. Okay, but if you are doing boiling method, make sure you follow this process for better results. Okay, after allowing to cool down for some hours, now the next thing is to strain it out. I bring a sheaf cloth and a bowl to collect the powerful DIY herbal tea spray for effective hair growth and solving our hair problems. Okay, so now do you see how rich, how potent this tea spray is? If yours did not come out in this color, meaning that you make something wrong. So make sure you prepare it the right way so that you can get this the same brown rich color. Okay, so now the next thing now is adding essential oil. Please, this essential oil is an optional. The reason why I choose to add this is to activate it more, make it more effective. But if you don't have any essential oil, please and please skip it. Do not bother yourself. Only these 3 powerful ingredients is banger. Okay, so the essential oil I use is black seed essential oil. Okay, because black seed essential oil is also very powerful, both in growing your hair and other benefits. Okay, but if you have any other ones of essential oil, you can also use it. Now our powerful herbal tea spray is ready to be used. This powerful tea spray is banger, guys. This is all you need to grow your hair. This will help to solve your scalp, protect your length, and help you to grow longer, thicker, fuller, healthy hair without to break the bank. So the next thing now is to transfer it to the spray bottle for easy application. So guys, keep on watching. Now we are moving to the most important part of this recipe, how to apply it. Application of this recipe matters a whole lot. So if you don't want to make those silly mistakes, please make sure you watch to the end and pay close attention on how to apply this recipe for that better result. Okay, now listen carefully. Before applying any DIY treatment to your scalp, I strongly recommend doing a patch test first. Apply a small amount to a small area of your skin and wait to see how your skin reacts. Okay, if you experience burning, several itches, swelling or irritation, wash it off immediately and discard the using. Okay, don't use that recipe, it's not for you. Then try another recipe. Okay, but if you do not experience any of those, then your skin tolerates the mixture, continue using it. Okay, But while using it, make sure you use it on a clean scalp. Do not use it on a dirty hair for better results. A lot of people do this mistake and they expect results overnight while you are using the product on a wrong way. Please use this particular treatment on a clean hair, okay? Still pay attention. There are more things to learn with this particular recipe. So once you spray this on your hair, focus on your scalp. So please focus on those your problem area. Once you apply them, make sure you take a little gentle scalp massage to those problem areas, your edges, your crown section, your tiny edges, your tiny areas, any problem areas you want to solve. Please focus this particular spray in those areas and give yourself a little gentle scalp massage. And make sure you work in session. If your hair is out, please make sure you work in session. If you're also wearing braid or mini twins, also work in session, or cornrows, also work in session. It will help you a whole lot, okay? So after doing that, then give yourself a gentle scalp massage. Please do not wet your hair with this product. Just damp your hair with it, okay? Mainly focus on your scalp, because your scalp is where your hair grows from, where to solve your problems and where to help you to promote faster hair growth, okay? So once you apply it on your scalp, then you can work your way through your hair strands, okay? So make sure you massage your scalp. Scalp massage is very, very important with this. Do not joke with scalp massage, okay? And please, while massaging your scalp, please do not massage it roughly. Do not scratch your scalp. Do not use your fingernails. Please do not massage aggressively. Just use the palm of your fingers. Just use a palm of your fingers and gently massage your hair for a few minutes. This will help you feel more relaxed. And I personally love making scalp massage as part of my hair care routine, and it has helped me a whole lot, okay? It has been one of the secrets of my healthy hair growth, okay? Now here is the question everyone always asks: how long should you leave the treatment on? For your first few applications, I recommend keeping it simple. Leave it on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse through. If your scalp feels irritated at any point, rinse it out immediately. So, but if it's not your first time using this recipe, you can leave it overnight or some hours, then rinse it out and follow up with your shampoo or your conditioner. So for me, I normally use mine as my leave-in treatment. After applying it on my hair, then I follow up with my leave-in conditioner with a butter, then use the oil to oil my scalp. I like to stay on my hair until any of my wash day or my next moisturizing day. That's how I use mine. So please don't use it the way I use mine if your scalp did not tolerate it, or if it's your first time trying this, okay? So now let's talk about frequent time to use this treatment. I recommend starting with once a week if it's your first time, okay? But if it's not your first time, you can start using it twice in a week, okay? That is enough to see how your scalp responds to the treatment. If your scalp tolerates it well, you can decide to whether to continue with your weekly routine. But remember, more application do not actually mean faster results. Your hair needs consistently, your scalp needs balance, and your hair strands need protection. Okay, the real secret is not using a powerful treatment every single day. The real secret is creating a complete routine that supports healthy hair habits over time. Okay, please, for storage, please store this in the refrigerator. Use it only 5 days. After 5 days, anyone that remaining, make sure you discard it. If you don't have refrigerator, please make a small amount that you can use immediately. Please do not keep it in a refrigerator more than 5 days, so that you not lose the potency, okay? It's better use something that is very potent and get effective than using something that have lose potency and you get zero result, or it cause another thing to your scalp or your hair, okay? Now let's talk about something that is even more important than this recipe, because so we can make the best DIY hair growth treatment in the world. But if your hair keep breaking, you may never see the length you have been trying to achieve. Think about it. Your hair may actually be growing from the scalp, but if your ends are consistently breaking off, it can feel like your hair is not growing at all. So if you are serious about growing longer hair, do not focus only on stimulating your scalp. You always need to focus on length retention. That means protecting your ends, avoiding excessive manipulation. Do not detangle aggressively. Keep your hair moisturized. Sleep with a satin or silky bonnet or use a satin pillowcase. Avoid styling your hair consistently, pulling your edges, okay? And pay attention on your scalp, because healthy looking long hair is not just about growing, but about growing plus retention. That is the real game changer, okay? So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, if there's anything that not covered up in this video, feel free to let me know in comment section below, okay? Do wait to subscribe, share this video to your family and friends, and like this video, okay? It helps the growth of the channel. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you all on my next video. Remain blessed and stay safe. Bye. Mwah.